Okay, so I kind of forgot to post last week. I made the predictions at time, and I didn't realize that this week the matches were starting early on. So yeah, I'm gonna just predict last week's and this week's together in one video, and I really need to keep on track and post it regularly on time, and I will try my best to remember to post it on time. But let's just get started. We got Aston Villa versus Wolves, 2-0 to Aston Villa. I predicted Marlon and Morgan Rogers to score. Brentford versus Burnley, another 2-0. Thiago and Shada. Chelsea versus Arsenal, that I said would be 2-1 to Chelsea. Pedro Neto and Eze. Crystal Palace versus United, I said Crystal Palace would win 2-0. The goal scorers would be Mateta and Sa. Everton versus Newcastle, I predicted would be a 1-1 draw. Beto and Voltemada. Leeds versus Manchester City, I predicted to be 3-1. The goal scorers would be Haaland, Brace, Cherky, and I've not written down one for Leeds, so I'm just gonna say Sean Longstaff from the top of my head. I don't know who scored. I know the score is like 3-2, I believe, but yes, I could have also said Okafor, but I say that every week, so just change it up a bit. Nottingham Forest versus Brighton, 1-1. Elliot Anderson and Welbeck. Sunderland versus Bournemouth, that I predicted to be 1-0. Granit Xhaka. And now you're going to see a team. I've predicted him to score this week as well. But Spurs versus Fulham, 1-0. Johnson. West Ham versus Liverpool. I predicted Liverpool to win 2-1. Goal scorers being Callum Wilson, Szoboszlai, and Ekitike. Now for this week, Arsenal versus Brentford, or 2-1 win for Arsenal. Sorry, Arsenal get 2-1 win. Goal scorers are, I'm sorry, I meant a 1-0 win. I was looking at the wrong, again, I've written it wrong. Lucky I caught that mistake. It's a 1-0 win for Arsenal. Goal scorer, scrappy goal from Martinelli or something. But Bournemouth versus Everton is also a 1-0. Antoine Semenyo. Brighton versus Aston Villa is the 2-1 win, which I accidentally read because I wrote in an order of how it's written here this time, and then I missed out the first two, so they're at the bottom. So it's starting from here till the end, and then this, then this. So Brighton versus Aston Villa 2-1. Goal scorers Welbeck, Harvey Elliott, and Sean McGinn. Burnley versus Crystal Palace 2-1. Goal scorers Ugichaku, Mateta Brace. I put 1-3 originally, but I changed it to 1-2. But it looks like I just put Mateta Brace, changed it to 2 goals. I forgot to remove that answer, same as last week. But we moved. Fulham versus City. If match is going on right now, it is the second half. But I predicted a 2-1 win for City, which is already not going to be true. It's Emil Smith Rowe, Haaland, and Foden, which all of them have scored. Haaland is a given. Foden is a really good player. Expect him to score. And I just said Emil Smith Rowe because last week I said Sessegnon. Not last week, but the week before that, I said Sessegnon. So that was one of the few Fulham players that I would expect to score in this game. And Manchester City just scored. Wow. Anyways, let's not get distracted. Leeds versus Chelsea, a 2-0 win for Chelsea. João Pedro and someone like Garnacho. Liverpool vs Sunderland, a 1-0 win for Sunderland, where Liverpool continue their terrible form and Sunderland continue with their excellent form. I would love a draw in this match while United wins so we can push up the table, but this is what I predict the score to be, not what I want it to be. But Manchester United. I can't believe I said Manchester City. Manchester United versus West Ham. 1-0. Bruno, pen or screamer, something like that. Newcastle versus Spurs. A 2-2 draw. Voldemort, Bruno Guimaraes, Johnson and Kulusevski. Wolves versus Forest. 1-2 win for Forest. Strand Larsen, Gibbs White, and Callum Hudson-Odoi. And then this is next week's match. So that's the end of the prediction for this week and last week. I will catch you all next time. Thank you. Bye.